Welcome to Demobilization. What is demobilization? Demobilization is the return to normal operations after an incident or an event. The command structure often changes during this portion of the response, and a transfer of command can and should occur. Basically, your assets, that being your staff and your stuff, they go back home. It does need to be a structured, coordinated event. Certainly, it's not a free-for-all. When should demobilization happen? There really is no easy answer for that. However, planning for demobilization should occur early on in the response. Why, you may ask? Really, there's a cost issue, there is a liability issue, there's a redundancy or waste of resources issue, and there's a safety issue. Consider the quote, consider the resource that costs the most and has traveled the farthest. Tools for demobilization planning. Of course, there are ICS forms for this, specifically the ICS 221, which is a demobilization plan. Staff usually complete a participant feedback form as well, allows them an opportunity to provide input on the response. Or you could make demobilization the focus of an upcoming operational period. That is, you could develop an IAP or an incident action plan specifically for demobilization. Either option is appropriate. Here's some easy rules to follow. For staff, are they okay? And that means physically, mentally, emotionally. Are they rested? Can they travel if applicable? Is their time accounted for through finance? And does referral need to occur for follow-up services? As an example, mental or behavioral health support. For stuff, is it broke? Fix it. Is it replaceable? Replace it. Does it need to be paid for? Was it used? And if so, replenish your stock to pre-event levels. Some ICS rules for demobilization. Planning and operations work together to determine what needs to be demobilized. Logistics figures out how to get that resource home. Finance tracks and pays, and incident command authorizes the release. Look in the community recovery section of your current FEP for more information on demobilization support and resources.